Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and today I will show you how to confirm your CoachVantage subscription to a paid plan. At any time during your 14-day free trial or after your free trial period has ended, you'll be prompted to subscribe to a paid plan in order to continue using CoachVantage. It is on this plans and pricing page where you have the option to select whether you would like to be billed monthly or annually. Before you select which plan works best for you, please remember to review the differences between the Clarity and the AHA plan and scroll down to compare and contrast the features of both plans. Please note that when you select the annual plan, you will save more. In fact, the annual option gives you a 10% discount. When you've identified the plan that works best for you, click the green Subscribe Now button. You will be brought to a page where you can enter your billing details and then select Subscribe. Upon successful payment, you should now see the plan that you have subscribed to updated on your subscription page here. In this case, I subscribed annually to the Clarity plan. On this page, you can also see your billing details and update it accordingly if need be. To update your payment, simply scroll down and then select Update Card. You will be brought to the billing details page where you can easily fill in your new card information and then press Save Card. Thank you for watching this video on how to confirm your CoachVantage subscription to a paid plan. We're so happy you're here. Happy coaching!